St. Thomas taxi operator dies after crashing into trees. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. A taxi operator succumbed to injuries he received yesterday morning after his vehicle ran off the road and crashed into trees. He has been identified as 74-year-old Bradford Bogle of Newlands in the parish. The incident happened sometime after 9 o'clock along the Pondside Main Road. It is reported that Bogle dropped off a passenger and exited his car with the engine running. It is further reported that while he was re-entering the car, he stepped on the accelerator, causing the vehicle to sped off. He was reportedly unable to regain control of the car, which ran off the road and crashed into trees near the Yala Span. Emergency responders were called to the scene. Police indicated that Bogle was pinned down by a tree that was on his neck. A team from the Yalas fire station was alerted and the Bogle was removed from the vehicle. He was rushed to the Princess Margaret Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.